Oh, Nandros, what are you doing? Thank you for the 10 tier 3 subs. What? Hiccups. Thank you so much. There aren't hiccups. But yeah, when I have hiccups, I don't have like how it's like, oh my god, she's so cute. And but when she sneezes, she goes, achoo. I bet when she has hiccups, she goes, hip.
Finishing the.
But when I have hiccups, I sound I sound like I'm dying. I am literally dying. It is like like that. It is literally dying. Hi.
Could I?
Yeah, I sound like a dying swan, a dying frog, something.